how to use the new frame tool in Adobe Photoshop. Hey guys, Kerry Hawkins here with another Vectomade.com tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking about another update to Adobe Photoshop CC 2019, and that is the frame tool right over here. Hotkey K, you click it, you've got two options, either rectangular or elliptical. Let's just do rectangles. I'll show you what it does. I'm going to draw out some squares, and then I'm going to make some copies. So I'm just holding Alt and Shift here to make a copy and keep it in line. Alt and Shift, Alt and Shift. And then I'm just going to grab all of them and center them this way, that way, whatever. It doesn't have to be. Just I like it to look nice. All right. Next thing you're going to do, click on whichever frame you want to load a picture to. So click on that layer, go File, go to Place Linked, grab an image. I've got several just random stock photos I've collected over the years. Here we go. There's a chick listening to music. I'll just put her over here. You can then move it once it's placed like this. You can resize it if you want to really focus in on those eyes. Or maybe that beauty mark. Oh my gosh, look at that mole. That's not a mole. Is that a piercing? Anyway, you can do whatever you want once they're in there. Move it around. Really handy. But see, it's all on one layer. You don't have to have two layers and a clipping mask. Ugh. Just tidy. It's just very tidy. All right, I'm going to do it again. File. Place linked. Let's do a beach scene. And I just really want that tree. I want lots of tree. Boom. Boom. Really good way to make thumbnails. It's a really good way to do certain applications where the image size needs to stay consistent. Maybe you're making multiple types of the same thing. You just want to make sure that the images are all the same size and that they fit the same amount. Let's just get this chick biting on a keyboard and kind of do like that. Maybe focus in on her mouth right where she's about to chew on that shift key. Oh, caps lock. Anyway, it's really simple. That's all there is to it. You just grab pictures and you do this, really, really easy. Let's do a huge texture here. Boom. Obviously that's pixelated, but that's how it works. Very easy. Again, you can do elliptical ones if you want to as well. They're like this, and that might be good for, like, say, headshots. I can see that working really well. Here's a businessman. Let's just throw him in. And, like this would be a good... Ooh, that brings up another... Yeah. So here, they made a nice headshot. That'd work great for like a website. I need to make a note, though, because they've changed to where proportional scaling is now without shift. You don't have to hold shift. It just already proportionally scales. And it has thrown me off because I'm so used to having to hold shift. I don't know if I like it. I guess maybe it's a good thing. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. But that's the gist of it, guys. Very easy. Was this helpful to you? Do you think you'll use this? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, but also like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell, and help me.